All right, it's 10 minutes before market open, and London Lows just got swept. We're also in a high time frame, both hourly and 4 hour gap. So I'm very bullish overall. I'm gonna need little to no extra confluences to be able to enter off of this, just because of how obvious I think this might be. I don't know. I could be wrong. You never know. But I mean, it's looking like pretty bullish. That's all I'm gonna fucking say. So we also do have, or we did have 7:30 news. And actually, we don't have. This is just data highs right here. So that's another thing we could target. But yeah, I'm very bullish overall. So. Not gonna lie, I actually would have taken this trade. If we get back down here, I low-key might. Especially if we form this fair value gap and respect it. Got a 1 minute break structure. I might actually long this, I'm not gonna lie. I'd want it to get to the 50% mark though. I'd be kind of picky about this.
Order filled.
Barely risking anything here. $113. Usually I wouldn't take a trade pre-market. Just because of all the volatility that's coming into the market. But this very well could get stopped because at market open, it's a volatile price, so possibly wick down if it needs a little bit more liquidity. Boom, stop me out, and then go. I'd rather just wait for the storm to calm down, then hop in. But I mean, you never know. Honestly, it's 2 minutes till market open, and could very well get wicked. But that's the thing. I'm super de-risked on it, so only risking $100. Should have waited for the 50%. Like I said, I would have gotten a way better entry, risking literally $50. Then I could have a more protected stop, down here, which I kind of could have actually. Here's market open. I'm gonna try to get break even as soon as possible, honestly. Yeah. Alright, I'm break even on that. And then this is just targeting data highs. Ideally I'd want these 15 minutes to get hit. But that would just be the next draw on liquidity. Honestly, I might leave it like that, to be honest. Because we have so much low resistance liquidity down here. I'll just probably start trailing at the data highs. Yeah, I think all of this is going to get wiped out. I'm considering adding a contract onto this. I'd want to see price get a little bit lower because I'm assuming this is going to make a fair value gap.
Order filled.
Yep, nice. Increase the break-even price, but it's alright. That would suck though if this got break-evened because of that. Well, I guess actually that kind of does work out. Because I said I was going to trail if we hit data highs, and price is fucking there, so. But London highs would be like the overall draw. I'm not targeting that, but that's the overall draw. Nice data highs just hit, so. I mean, we're really not that far away from these 15-minute. I might do a runner actually to London High because of how much volume we're getting. At this point, I'm bringing stops into profit to secure myself a winning day. Just in case price comes back down, but I mean, it's not looking like it's gonna. I mean, you know what I'm trying to say. Getting a little retrace here, which is as to be expected because we literally haven't had a down candle since 2 minutes before market open. So this actually could come into equilibrium. I wouldn't be surprised. Respecting that fair value gap. Honestly, that if this fair value gap holds and this gets respected, that could be a decent decent long. I'm sure a bunch of people will actually be able to enter off of that. Hopefully we continue with that momentum up. I just want to get these two limit cells secured. Because once we do that, I can move like I can actually move my stop loss to actually break even because that's just going to secure the 150 day. Could actually get stopped into profit on this. Hopefully that doesn't happen. This just got inversed. Brand new 5-minute candle. Have this 5-minute fair value gap that's holding. I do want this 15-minute to close above these 15-minute highs, and it would be so fucking ideal for this 1 hour to inverse this 1 hour fair value gap. If those two things happened, I would be almost like 100% certain that this TP is getting hit. I'm already very confident with this trade, But that would just add conviction onto it. Even more than I already have. Got 44 seconds left of this 15-minute candle. Hoping it closes above these highs. But it looks like we're not going to get it. Yeah. Didn't get it. And probably going to get stopped in profit. Yo, I don't want to celebrate too early, but holy fucking shit. What is that, one tick away from hitting stop loss? Let's hit this first TP, please. That would be so lovely. Got this 1 minute that will hopefully respect. Got a fat 1 minute SMT if this candle closes bearish. That's not ideal. Price edging that first take profit though. Hopefully this candle, I mean, we're already broken to the upside, so it doesn't really matter if it closes above or not, but it would just be even more bullish than we already are.
Order filled.
Bang. First TP hit. Can now bring this to actually break even. Just have a runner now to London highs.
Order filled.
Bang. Full TP hit. This is probably one of my fucking best trades I've ever hit, to be completely honest. Obviously, with the RR and whatnot, fucking 7 RR is ridiculous. Plus, with almost getting stopped out right here, I almost shit my fucking pants. That would have been pissed. But yeah, that'll be the only trade today for New York. I'm probably going to hop on Asia tonight. Literally bottom and top tick this entire fucking move just to show y'all what I was peeping. London low swept, targeting London highs. Literally took it from London low to London high. This was an absolute banger. Up 1K across the 4 accounts. So absolutely clears all and any losses I had this week. Yeah, so. But yeah. Hopefully y'all were able to catch these longs somewhere. There was a lot of places that you could have actually caught these besides the pre-market entry. Into this 5-minute fair value gap would have been banger. These would have been banger longs. I'm sure a bunch of people probably took these. So yeah, hopefully y'all were able to catch these as well. Appreciate y'all for watching. If you haven't already, like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And I'll also have my socials in the description of this video for TikTok and Instagram. So go follow me on there if you haven't already, if you didn't come from there. But appreciate y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all later.